Hello, good morning, student. I am Dr. Kiran Ramrao Borkar. Now, today I am going to discuss about the coral reef. So, first of all, we see what is coral reef. So, coral reef are made up of colonies of 100 to thousands of teeny individuals, and that teeny individuals is called as a polyps. Okay. So these marine invertebrates, these are the marine invertebrates animal have hard exoskeleton, and that exoskeleton is made up of by the calcium carbonate and or sessile. It means that they are fixed, permanently fixed in one place. Okay. So what is coral animals actually? It is an unlike plant, coral do not make their own food. Coral are in fact animal, the branch or mound that we often call a coral is actually made up of thousands of teeny animals called polyps. A coral polyp is an invertebrate that can be no bigger than a pinhead up to a foot in diameter. Now, this coral reef distributed in different places. Coral reef grow in warm, shallow water limited to continental and Iceland shore in tropical and subtropical zone. They cannot survive in water having temperature less than 22 degrees Celsius. It means that it is found in warm water, okay, and have a luxuriant growth in shallow water. Especially, I just tell you, it have luxuriant growth in shallow water having a depth less than 11 meters. It means that it is found in shallow water. Coral reefs inhabit Maldives Island, Indian Ocean, Wake Island, Marshall Island, Fiji Island of Pacific Ocean, White Sandy Island, Bohum Iceland region, and famous Great Barrier Reef of Australia. This coral reef distributed in all over the different oceans and Iceland. Okay, it is found in different Iceland. Then different types of coral reefs are found. Then what type of? First one is that the fringing reef. It is also the type of coral reefs. Then second one is that the burial reef. Burial reef is also the coral is also the type of coral reefs. And third one is that the atolls. What is atolls? Atoll is also the type of coral reef. So first of all, we just see here fringing reef. So what is fringing reef? This is also the one type of the coral reef and term as a fringing reef, which lie close to the shore of some volcanic island or part of some continent. A fringing reef extends from shore a few meters to the 1/4 miles out and consists of the reef edge or front, where the most active coral growth occur and slightly lower, more or less flat surface. The reef flat. The reef flat between the front and shore is composed largely of coral sand and mud, dead coral, and other debris, usually giving a scarlet to brown green. The outer single beach of Iceland may get merged into the seawards flat of the reef, which already consists of seawards slope on which coral grow down to 20 fathom, or there may be varying area of boulder zone in between. Sometime between Iceland and boulder zones may be enclosed an inner flat which is hollow out to give rise to shallow lake. You can see here the picture of fringing zone. Look at this coral reef, this fringing reef. It is found near or close to the land. Okay. Now, We see the second type of coral reef, that is barrier reef. Okay, so barrier reef are same as the fringing reef, but they are located some distance from the shore, and fringing reef is close to the shore, but this barrier reef is some located some distance from the shore. They are separated from land by stretch of water or lagoon, which may be half a miles to 10 miles or more, and 60 to 1000 feet deep. You just imagine. It means that it is not found in shallow water. Okay, so the most notable example of barrier reef is a Great Barrier Reef of Australia, extending over 1200 miles long and up to 90 miles from the shores. Okay, it means that it is located some distance from the shores. You can see the picture of barrier reefs. Okay, this barrier reef is like a fringing reef, but it is distance from the shore. Okay, now we see the third coral reef is that the atoll or atoll reefs. They are also referred as a coral Iceland or Laguna Iceland. What is that? Coral or Iceland or Lagoon Iceland. They are irregular, more or less circular or horseshoe shaped reef not enclosing any island but encircling lagoons. The lagoons varies from a few to about 90 kilometers across. It may be complete or broken by a number of channels, of which only a few are navigable outer side of a reef. Slope of rather steepy in the depth of ocean. You can see the picture of atoll reefs. Look at this. This is found in place where lagoons. Okay, and it is circular in shape also. Now, all this is about the different kinds of coral reefs. Okay, but now at this time we can see the economic importance of coral reef also. Coral reef support. Then what is the economic importance? That is, first one is that the coral reef support jobs, tourism and fisheries. Okay, job, tourism and fisheries. Then coral reefs serve as a habitat for many plant and animals such as mollusks, sponges and echinoderm and fishes. All these are, it means that you can say here the coral reefs serve as a habitat of many plant and animals. Then third economic importance is that coral reefs provide an important ecosystem for life underwater, protect coastal areas by reducing the power of waves hitting the coast, and provide a crucial source of income for millions of people. Coral reef teem with a diverse life. Thousands of species can be found living on a one reef. All these are the economic importance of coral reef. Okay, you can see here the different type of coral reefs picture. You can see this one is the barrier reef, and the barrier reef is also one type of coral reefs parallel to the shore, but it is separated by the channel of water. Okay, but it is near to the shore. Now second one is that the atolls reef. This atoll reef is a ring shape of coral reef and consisting of coral reefs that encircle a lagoons. Then third one is that the fringing reef. What is fringing reef? It is also the reef and that form around a land mass. Okay, all these are the three different types of the coral reef. Thank you so much.